So the time is 3 o'clock in the morning. It's a frankly ridiculous hour, but the Geneva Motorshow is calling us, so let's go.
So we're here on the Ferrari stand, 488 pista. Awesome carbon engine bay. This one finished with carbon wheels, carbon side steps, satin carbon door kit with the full Alcantara interior. And here we've got the new engine for the 488 pista. So you see the 90-degree mounted V8 turbo, one turbo there, one turbo there. Produces 720 horsepower, and what an insane look. Amazing. So now we are inside the 488 pista. As you can see, got a lovely Alcantara interior with the racing seat belts, with a white grey sort of cavallino on the headrest. Lovely matte carbon down here. We're struggling a bit with the light. Some nice carbon kickballs and carbon door panels, and all this lovely Alcantara here with a 488 pista special mats. Yeah, what a lovely place to be. All of the inside is carbon. What an insane car. So this is just how my wheel is on the new 488. So these are some of the tailor-made parts you can have. So this is a matte carbon centre cap. These are some paddles that the outer edges have the tricolore stripe, so there's the up paddle and that's the down. Got the kick sills, and these literally weigh nothing. Well, enjoying this car. So, earlier we were looking at a lovely Rosso Fuoco F12, now we've got this absolutely butchered Mansory 812. It's absolutely revolting with a fixed wing on the back. So we've got this Veyron here, and they're all going on the same theme of my kitchen worktop. I've literally taken it off and cut it up into 1 pieces. Yeah, paper mache and confetti combined with my granite worktop, and it's like a disco down there. We've got a diamond badge down there, which looks sort of nice. Even on the interior they have the forged carbon, the confetti carbon, whatever you want to call that. This is just a really interesting back on it. So here we've got a Liberty Walk Aventador. It's got full Giotto 22-inch wheels, I believe, with a crazy frequency intelligence exhaust. It's just I mean, yeah, you know what Liberty Walk are famous for, with their cut, butchered body cars, but I mean, it's cool. I mean, how far them wheels are spaced out, and the size of that wing is pretty insane, and with a really punchy red interior. I don't think we'll be able to get that, but yeah, it's pretty insane. We've also got a convertible M4 cab, a Mustang 5 litre, and a Nissan GTR, actually from the UK. It's done by Liberty Walk. We're getting crazy exhaust system and all that, yeah. So I mean, it's, yeah, I mean, not my personal cup of tea, but either way, pretty cool stand. And it's just really pretty looking the engine. I mean, wow, it's pretty mad. So now here on the Jaguar stand, Jaguar Land Rover. So we've got some pretty cool cars. As you'd expect, XEs, XF Sport Bike. I haven't actually seen one of these, let's take a look. So yeah, new XF Sport Bike, it's pretty nice. Nice big cavernous boot as you would expect. Oh, yeah, nice gunmetal grey finish with a red leather interior. But what I'm here to look at is actually the E-Pace and the I-Pace. So let's go and find a E-Pace first. So this is an E-Pace, smaller version of the F-Pace, like XE, XF. But I think in a way it's almost better looking than the F-Pace, which is just here. Yeah, just a shrunken F-Pace basically, but almost a bit more proportioned, which yeah, this is an R-Dynamic one. Classic big Jaguar grille with the Jag lights. Metallic white, again with a red interior. They're going for a bit of a theme here with the red interiors, but if we come over here, this is a car I'm really intrigued to see. Is the Jaguar I-Pace. So this is Jaguar's new electric car, and yeah, it's looking pretty cool to be honest. Got a really nice DB11 Volante here, finished in a lovely white. Finished in a lovely white with a bright blue interior, leather interior obviously, with lovely orange stitching and yeah, stitching on the headrest and stitching throughout the rest of the interior. Very nice, almost purple interior really. In person it comes across very different. Here we've got the Valkyrie AMR Pro. I mean, this is insane. I mean, you have no idea. The carbon wing across there, the whole body is carbon, and yeah, it's just incredible. Here we have a Red Bull Formula 1 car with Aston Martin, who have teamed up with Red Bull, and a Vantage AMR Pro, as well as just a DB11 and the standard Vantage over there. So yeah, this is the Aston Martin stand, and we'll just go take a look at Lagonda. So as I said, we're going to come take a look at this Lagonda. Yeah, I mean, very different. It's absolutely huge, and it looks like my living room inside. I mean, it's got very furry seats and proper carpets and some really cool LED lighting. I mean, yeah, this isn't a car to me, this is a spaceship. I mean, look at the interior. It's absolutely insane. I mean, whether this is obviously a concept car, so whether this will actually become a real thing. It does actually have pedals in there, believe it or not. But whether this will become a real thing remains to be seen. But yeah, wow. So this is the new Atau design. This is the Spider version, which so it's basically the Huracan Audi R8 type thing, but obviously redesigned and rebodied by Atau Design. Looks extremely cool in this satin blue finish. Yeah, really cool. Never see one of these again. So here's the Performante Spider. This is a finish in a satin blue. Yellow calipers. Obviously the Tricolore up the door, along with the yellow Performante badge just down there. Black and yellow interior, looking really cool. It obviously has a folding soft top roof. Shame they couldn't do a hard top system, as I think that would look even cooler. Yeah, still either way a stunning car, finished off with a lovely forged carbon. Yeah, beautiful.